Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Peepo token. Now the Peepo token just got listed on CoinMarketCap maybe about a day or so ago. It was up like 500, 600% like about 10 hours ago. Right now it is still up almost 200%. It's doing very well. Name of the token is Peepo, and so is the ticker symbol. Obviously, this is a play off of Pepe, which is a very popular meme coin. And now this one's doing very well. Not as good as Pepe, obviously, but this one's still doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So the Peepo token, their official webpage, peepo.army. Now, right now they're up 117%. They have their block explorers on CoinMarketCap. They have a Twitter, which is at Peepo Pepito. And they have a Telegram at Peepo Army. So if we look at their Etherscan, it says right now they have 1,185 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply, of course, of 69,420,000,000,000 tokens. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You would go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Peepo token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or their webpage. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the Tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. So it says Peepo is a smaller, cuter, more wholesome version of Pepe. Peepo's help is here to... People's help, that doesn't even make sense, is the key for Pepe to become the king of the memes. This might be translated or something. Like Doge has Shiba, Pepe has Peepo. The Peepo army has the power of memes, zero taxes, so you most likely will not have to change slippage if you're going to buy this token off of Uniswap or sell it because there is zero taxes. Liquidity pool is burned and permissionless ownership contract to accomplish this feat. So they're saying contract has been renounced. This definitely seems like it is translated, of course, just by the way it reads. The grammar is very weird. Now, their chart seems pretty okay here, but they're not at an all-time high. Looks like their all-time high was around, which day is this? April 23rd, 1250. Today's April 26th. It's still up from where it started, but April 23rd seems to be their all-time high. Now, yeah, it had a big pump that day, and then it just sporadically goes up and down, up and down. Who knows what's going to happen in the future, though. Their official webpage, you can find a roadmap on there. It says Peepo, the even better meme coin. They have links to their Etherscan, a DEX tools chart, Uniswap, CoinMarketCap, Twitter, and Telegram on their webpage. Now, lots of memes, of course, on their webpage. It says, following the steps of Pepe, the Peepo's allocation, 80% of tokens will go to the liquidity pool. LP tokens were burnt and contract ownership renounced. The remaining 20% of the supply is being held in a multi-sig wallet only to be used as tokens for future centralized exchange listings, bridges, and liquidity pool. So besides that, it looks like half of their webpage doesn't open up in Chrome here, so I'm just going to try it in Microsoft Edge, which seems to always work when you're looking at these crypto pages. I don't know why I just don't use Microsoft Edge in general, because Chrome for some reason doesn't open half these pages. All right, there we go. So it says here that how to buy, create a wallet, get some ETH. They show you step by step how to get the token. It says join the Peepo army where the fun never stops. Now the roadmap is pretty crazy looking here. Lots of memes on it. So roadmap says step 1, say good morning to everyone on Twitter and get Peepo trending. Step 2, or of the stage 2 of the roadmap, partner up with Pepe and other memes and get central exchange listings. Stage 3 of the roadmap, Peepo NFTs, mintable only with Peepo tokens, exclusive Peepo parties and events. And then it says 1 million times. So basically the only utility they're going to have is parties and events and some mintable NFTs, only mintable with the Peepo token. And they're trying to partner with Pepe. Now, I don't know if they're going to be able to do that, but they got some high hopes anyways. So if you go over to their Twitter, at Pepito, 16,200 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well on Twitter. They have the contract address in their pinned tweet. Telegram, website chart, all that's on there. Dex Tools chart. They got their first 1,000 holders within 2 days, it says. So that's pretty good here. But just be aware, as I went over all the information, obviously, there is no full audit. There is no KYC, no SAFU badge, hardly any security. Now, they're claiming, they renounced ownership and this and that, but you never know unless you fully review the contract or the audit or, get some actual security going on here, because you should always do your own research no matter what, especially with these meme tokens that have no audit and no security at all. Now, you can find this token newly listed on CoinMarketCap. That's where you can find all the information. Now, it says right now, fully diluted market cap, $2.7 million. Market cap's about $4 million. And 24-hour trading volume, $5.3 million. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.